This is the Mi Band 6, an upgrade, of course, to the 5 and 4 and 3. It's got a larger screen, a brilliant AMOLED display. You've got weather, your status. Wow, look at that. Their new computation of pi, which is kind of a single number that tells you how you're doing with exercise and heart rate. You do have heart rate in here, continuous heart rate, blood oxygen. It can measure stress level for you, and you have a breathing exercise built into this little band. In terms of the workouts, you got quite a few, walking and running and cycling and treadmill and indoor stuff as well, yoga, jump rope, and if that isn't enough, you hit more, and you've got all kinds of additional activities. Nothing left out, I tell you. Very, very full. Oh, okay, we touched one. You can start it. It'll get your positioning with the GPS, and you hit go, and you're good to go. The other things in here are workout history, an alarm. You've got female cycles if you register as a female, and it'll show you if you put in your beginning and your length exactly where you are in your cycle. Very good information. Overall settings for your band display, do not disturb. You can, of course, change your brightness and adjust what happens when you twist your wrist. And more stuff, including remote camera, shutter when you're tethered to your phone. You got stopwatches and timers and find the device, silent modes, and so forth. When you go this way, if you are in China, you can set it up with Alipay. Come over here, it's kind of dimmed out because we don't have it set up, but a music player. Swipe one more time and you're into weather in your area, showing you where you are and what your weather forecast looks like. All in all, it's a sweet little band. Press and hold or do it from inside. You can change to a variety of different bands, even download some from a server, which is what I did on this one. It's a TPU basic sweat-proof band, a tiny little self-contained module, basically the same size as the Mi Band 5, just a little bit larger in dimensions, not much, but much bigger, pretty much edge-to-edge screen. Cute little thing. Check it out, the Mi Band 6.